Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can publish an Emergent AI app on App Store. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta preview your application and then you gotta take your app live. So make sure that you have your app live before publishing it. So once your app is live, you gotta simply copy the URL or you can also scan the code in order to preview the app in your mobile. And once you have copied the code, you gotta head over to any of the website that will convert your web app into native app. So for this, I use median.co because it's really easy to use. You gotta head over to median.co and enter your URL over here and then click on build your app. Here, you'll be able to see that your website URL has already been loaded. You gotta type down your app name and then your organization. And finally, on start building my app. Here, you can select your app branding, you can upload your app icon, splash screen, you can completely customize your app from here, and you'll be able to see a simulator over here. So all the changes that you apply in branding, you'll be able to see them side by side. And then you're gonna head over to the left sidebar and click on build and download. Over here, you're gonna select your required app file. So in our case, it's iOS. So we're gonna go with IPA, but here you need to connect your certificate and provisioning profile. So once you have that connected, you'll be able to see the generate button get unlocked and you're going to click on build as well. So once your app is built, you're going to head over, click on download over here, and then your IPA file will be downloaded. Next, you're going to head over to App Store Connect in order to deploy the app in your App Store. You need to create an account over here in App Store Connect and make sure that you upload your developer fee. That is basically $99. And once you have created your account, you gotta simply upload that IPA file and your application will be published in the App Store. So that was basically how you can publish an Emergent AI app in App Store. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out. And I'll see you next time.